Yeah, okay. So today what we'll discuss is, we'll discuss some important fields in future object. Okay. Future object. Okay. So yesterday we have seen, right, feature. What is feature?
It is collection of similar items in one group is called feature.
Okay. So yesterday we have created one bundle product here. IT Pro Pack. Okay. And here in the related list, we can see the groups or features. I'll open all these four into the separate tab. So we know what is the use of this number. What is the use of this number? Number field.
First number and machine first we can allot this number.
Sequence of features, like in this
Sequence
feature
of-
where you want to display first, second, third, that number. By using this number only, you can give the sequence. So then we have something called min options and max options. Okay. What is the use of min and max options? Okay. So for example, I can give minimum options equals to 1 and maximum options are, I'll give a 1. What is the meaning of minimum 1, maximum 1 means? In this group,
only one page.
In this group, we can select, we should select at least 1, not more than 1.
One.
What is the meaning of minimum max options? In
Only
this,
one,
we can
one
select
option
only one
available.
option or not more than 1. Okay, that is the use of this min and max. Okay. And for peripherals, I'll give a min equal to 1, maximum equal to 2. What is the meaning of this one?
Options are until maximum 2.
Maximum we can select 2 options. Minimum how many we need to select?
1.
1. Not below 1, not more than 2.
Maximum 2.
For example, here I can give 2 to 3. What is the meaning of this one?
Minimum 2, maximum 3. Oh.
Can I set 1? In
No,
printing?
sir.
No. For networking, I can give 0 and 1. What is the meaning of this one?
Minimum 0, maximum 1, sir.
Sometimes there is no options.
Yes.
You can,
No item also. No.
even if you are not selecting, no problem, right? 0. But if you select more than 1, no.
Not.
Maximum is 1. Okay. So remember one important point in the exam also, CPQ exam also. So whenever maximum options 1 means, what is the meaning of it 1? Maximum options 1 means we can set maximum how many?
1.
1. So whenever we given, whenever maximum option is 1 means it will display radio buttons instead of checkboxes. When this radio buttons will come? When radio buttons will come?
Checkbox is not, instead of checkbox, radio box.
Why Deepa madam and Chandra, why you are silent?
Sir,
I was just yeah.
Just observing, huh?
Yeah, I was doing.
So tell me, sir, what you understood? What is the meaning of if I set maximum 1 option means?
It just means that that's a maximum number of options that I can choose. So
group.
if it's here in a group.
So if whenever I'm giving maximum 1 means, actually by default it will show the checkboxes. But if we give maximum 1 means, what it will display? Instead of checkboxes, it will display radio buttons for the options. Understand what I'm saying?
Yep.
Yes.
For example, if you take any existing code now. Okay. So what is the option I have selected? Yeah, I'll select 0, 1. So So if I go to the quotation, click edit lines, add products, IT Pro Pack, click select. Can you see here what is the option coming here? Previously, yesterday checkbox is coming. Now, what is the coming
Yeah.
option here? Radio buttons. Why it is coming radio buttons?
Because max option is 1.
Yeah, in the computers, maximum how many you can select, madam?
Only one option.
One.
Not more than 1. So minimum?
One.
You also one.
Yeah. For example, if I'll go to that code, if I'll uncheck this one, can we save?
No, sir.
At least
Minimum
one is mandatory.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
It will throw the error message. Too few options selected in the computers. So at least one is mandatory, correct? So that's why we have to set 1 here. I'll set 1 here now. Okay, close this one. I'll make it 1. So why it is showing this message now?
Maximum one given, sir, option there.
Minimum 1, the maximum 2.
Maximum 2.
2. Maximum 2.
So this message also will come dynamically, automatically, based on the min and max
Yeah.
options. For peripherals, what is the minimum I'm giving?
1.
1. Maximum 2.
2.
That's why you can see in the peripherals, choose at least 1, not more than 2. For example, can I set more than 2?
No, sir.
What is the error message will come? Max options. Too many options selected in where? Peripherals. Maximum how many we can select? Maximum how many we can select?
2.
Two, sir.
We can set maximum. Here, can I select only one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
At least how many?
2. 2, sir.
Two options, sir.
More than 3?
Not permitted.
So maximum how many?
Three, sir.
3. So maximum 3, minimum 2.
Two.
2.
So here again, this radar buttons are coming. Why radar buttons are coming here? Networking.
Maximum is 1, sir. That's one.
If you give maximum 1 means automatically the checkboxes will convert into the which one, madam? Radar button. So that means what will
Radio
happen?
button.
You can set only 1. That's it. You can set only 1, not more than 1, like this. Click a save. Understood everyone? What is the use of min max options?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And one more thing, see, by seeing this, you cannot understand easily hierarchy, but there is one checkbox. If you want to see hierarchy, product hierarchy, just click a setup. Just click a setup. So where I can go to the package, sir? Installed packages. So go to the configuration. So if you just click a editor, line editor, there is one checkbox. What is checkbox name?
Visualize
Visualize
product
product hierarchy. Just enable this checkbox, click a save.
Yeah.
So if you enable this checkbox and click save, what will happen is, now in this code record, you can easily understand like which one is bundle. Okay, I'll just refresh this one. You can understand. See now, is there any symbol now? There is no symbol
sir.
now. Now if you will get one symbol like for bundle product. So add product, IT Pro Pack, select it. So minimum 1, minimum 2, minimum 1, click a save. What is the difference between previous now?
IT project we have seen here.
Sir,
Symbol.
Sir,
You
some
can see there
symbol.
is symbol.
Yes.
Symbol is coming. Why
There
this
is a
symbol is coming? Because of this setting.
visualize editor.
Like product identity.
So now you can easily understand this is a main product. Below are what's options. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
The symbol you can get here automatically by using this checkbox. Okay. So we'll discuss some other fields. Okay. Okay, options into the one feature. So we are grouping like a similar options into the one group, right? Similarly, there is a min and max options, important fields, and category field. Min and max options. What is category field? Category, if you want to categorize features, okay, then you can go for this field. Okay, how we have categorized the options into the one group. Similarly, you want to like a groups, like you want to categorize groups, then we can go for category field. So for example, category, this is a pick list, only 2 fields are there, hardware, software. You can add more pick list values. You can go to this pick list, you can add it, but I will use these 2 only now. For computer, I am group, this feature I will make it come under hardware category. So computer, which category will consider this is come under hardware. So peripherals, I'll make it a hardware. So I'm giving this pick list values. You can create new pick list values on this. Okay. So computers and peripherals will come under which category? Hardware category. So for printing, I can just give a maybe software category. For printing, what I'm giving? Software category. For networking, what I'm giving? Blank. Now we can see how your bundle will display. Refresh the page. So add products. So what we can do is select the IT Pro Pack. Select. So now what is happening now? Here, you can see the categories. Under the hardware, what are the groups are coming, sir? Computer, peripherals are come under which group?
Hardware.
Category? Hardware.
Hardware.
Under software, how many things are there? Printing group.
Printing.
What is other than?
Networking.
Networking. If you are not giving any category, so that will come automatically where, sir? Other category. Understand what is the use of category field?
Yes.
To categorize groups, then again you can go for this field. Okay, this is not mandatory. Just if you want to use, you can use it. Make it null. I want to show you. So this is discount schedule field. We'll discuss this one later when we're talking about discount schedule. Now we'll come to this field, important field. Option selection method. What is the use of option selection method is? So how we need to display options? You want to display options in checkboxes in the same page, same under the feature, or you want to display options in another page, or you want to display all the products under the feature. Okay, in the option selection method, there are 3 pick list values. One is click. Okay, what is the meaning of click? By default, it will display checkboxes for options under the feature. Okay, so if this one and even the none, both are same. Even if you're not giving any option selection method, even if you're not giving anything, so by default it will take what, sir? Click only. Okay, click means what? It will display options under the feature. Okay. Next, add. What is add? It will display add options button under the future. Okay, under the future. It will display add options button under the future. If we click this, it will open new page. There you can select options related to that future. Understand what I'm saying? Following everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By default, it will click means what? You can see options under the same feature in the same page, configuration page. The configuration page, you can see the options. Okay. The configuration page. This is configuration page, right? Example. Here only you can see the options. Okay. But if you choose a selection method equal to add, instead of here, what it will display, sir? Here it will display one button called add options. If you click that add options button, these 4 options you can select in the other page and come back to the configuration page again. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Other one is dynamic. So what is the dynamic means? It will also display add options button under the future. But if you click this, it will open new page. There you can select options related to the price book, not a future. Whatever the price book you have selected in the for that code, all the products under the price book, it will display. Okay, I'll show you these 3 options in real time. You can understand clearly now. Okay, go to this quote. Okay, I'll make it first of all. So computers, I'll not make anything. For peripherals, I'll make it a what's that? Click. For printing, I'll make it add. For networking, I'll make it a what's a dynamic. Now tell me what is the expected output now for IT professional pack. How the futures will display now. Click add products. IT Pro pack. Select. Can you see now? For peripherals, what is the option I have selected? Even if you select click or by default also, none also nothing but a click only. If you select click, what will happen? It will display options, checkboxes or radio buttons under the future based on the min and max options. Now you can see options in the same feature. Yes or no? Hello, Chandra, Deepa. Following?
Yeah,
Yeah.
little bit confusing, sir.
So
that's why you
these
have
are
to speak.
basically the default option, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
even the default or click both are same.
Okay.
Even if it is null, even if it is none or click both are same. Even if none or click both are same, it will display checkboxes. But when radio button will come, if you choose max options is 1, then only radio button will come. Otherwise, by default, it will display checkboxes. By default, it will display checkboxes for options, but radio button will display only when if you choose a
maximum is 1.
Max is 1.
1. Okay. Now, peripherals, what is the option I'm giving? Click. Click means what? It is also same like a none only. You can see checkboxes now. Right, madam?
Yes.
This is
Yeah,
clear,
got it.
peripherals. Second option enti for printing. What is the option I have selected?
Add.
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 Add means what? It will display add options button. In the printing, you can see add options button.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If we click this button, what will happen? It will open new page. There, what you can select? Same options under the future. Whatever the options are there, same options it will display in the new page. Okay, so instead of showing in the same page, what it will do? It will display in the another
Different
page.
page.
Different page.
Ante same options. Instead of showing the same page, it is displaying another page. Here you can select and you can just come back to the again previous page. Now you're coming again previous page.
Right.
Then dynamic. What is the meaning of dynamic? It will also display button. Displaying button. Yes or no? Dynamic.
Mm,
Yes.
Yeah.
Add options button. Yeah. But previously it will show only options related to the future. Correct? Whatever the future is related. Example printing. It is displaying only printing related options here. Correct? In this, if you click add
Yes.
options button, it will display only printing related options only, not any other new products, right? But when
Right.
if you take a dynamic, it will display all the products under the price book. What is the price book we have selected when creating code? USA price book, right? So for that USA price book, what are
Yes.
the products are there? All those products it will display in the dynamic. Can you see now? Actually, in the networking, what are the, should come actually? Wireless, router, access point, and something needs to come, right?
Installation.
But what is what came now? All the products are available now.
All
That is the use of dynamic. So why we need to make it dynamic? So when this dynamic will help you, so there is a separate topic called product rules. In the product rules, there is one type called filter rules. That time we can discuss in depth on dynamic. But normally when we can go for add all these things is, see, in case if your bundle is having, if your feature is having 50, 60 products, okay. In case if you show 50, 60 products in the same page, you should like scroll down, scroll up, so many things you have to do. Correct? Instead of that, what you can do, you can make it a separate button for that feature. In another page, you can display all the features, options. There you can sit and come back to the page. Clear?
Yes.
Following?
Yes.
So that is the 3 buttons available in the. So this is Salesforce CPQ certification question also. This one is CPQ certification question. And this one also, radio button, when radio button will display, that is also CPQ certification question. Clear, madam? So those are some important fields in the future level. This we'll discuss later. Okay. Now that's it in the future. Just 1 minute.